This vlog is going to be very fun. I am going to show you one of our local people who raise chickens and sell eggs. I buy eggs from her, and they're delicious. And last night when I picked some up, I asked her if I could come this morning and take some pictures of her hens, and she said yes. So I'm on my way to do that, and I'm going to share this little vlog with you and show you some of the beautiful shots and a little bit of video footage of her hens. And I'm looking forward to painting some. I created this video for my Patreon members, but I'd also like to share it with you and let you see a little glimpse of what we're going to be working on this summer. It's going to be a summer of pastel birds, focusing not only on the birds that come to our feeder, but the birds that visit the river where we live, and some of the beautiful hens that you will see in this vlog. So let's get going and let's go take a look at some beautiful egg layers. So this should be very fun. And I don't know, I love chickens. Someday I'd like to have some, so it's a real treat for me to go there. Oh my goodness. The eggs that these ladies lay are so delicious, and the nice thing is she doesn't wash them, and so I can keep them on my counter. And I have gotten to where I love that because they're room temperature. They're so much nicer to use than being cold, and it doesn't take up room in my refrigerator. And they last for a very long time when they haven't been washed. Hello, ladies. You have a lot of them. Oh, wow. Music playing for them.
Yeah.
Well, hello.
Okay, here they come.
Oh, hi there. Wow. Look at that. Oh.
This is our new rooster.
Oh, that's you. Okay, so you are actually having baby chicks then too, huh?
We got new ones this year.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all right, buddy.
Oh, wow. Are you checking me out? That's right. Oh,
This is the newest batch.
are they? Oh, teenagers, huh?
We got 2 batches this year.
Wow.
6.
Well, what? Whoa, and look at where they get to go. Wow, they just are out there having a blast, huh? Best thing. I'm gonna go get some shots of them out in the garden too. Wow.
They're usually all under there.
Is that right? I wonder why. It's just like this little hiding place, and now I'm invading your hiding place, huh? Wow. Such a beautiful one. And what is this one called? Is this the Wyandotte?
Oh yeah, that's a barred rock.
Barred Rock?
Yeah.
Look at that. Hello.
Yeah, these are the teenagers. This was our first batch of chicks this year.
I just knew they would be soft.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Watch
Now-
her. She'll peck you.
Oh boy. You have a reputation.
She got hurt the other day.
Oh, did she? Oh man. boy. What, would you like to say hello? Say hello to the camera, ladies. I'm gonna make you famous. Yeah. Whoa, how beautiful. Oh, man. Look at them out there. They're all underneath their favorite spot. Lily?
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful name, and she looks a little imposing, but you said she was very friendly.
Yeah, she's sweet. She'll lick you to death before she does it.
Oh, is that right?
She just loves people. That's why she barks.
Oh, Lily. So thank you for joining me on this fun vlog as I went to go visit the hens that are providing me with some delicious eggs. And of course, we also visited the rooster and Lily too. But I'm showing this to you because I want to get you excited about painting chickens. This summer I'm doing a focus on painting birds, and we're going to do some of the ones that we see here at the river, but I think I'll add these to it also. So thank you for joining me on this pastel tapas, and I invite you to check out my Patreon page. I look forward to spending the summer with you painting birds.